Hello everybody, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. I am Anuradha, and in this particular session I have brought for you a very important update regarding women applicants and their vacancies for the NDA examination. Now, before I begin into telling you about the number of women who applied for NDA 2021 examination and the number of vacancies that have been just released by the Ministry of Defense for the women candidates in the NDA examination, let me also tell you what led to the entry of the women candidates in the NDA exam. It all happened during the NDA 2 2021 notification for women candidates. In compliance with the Honorable Supreme Court of India's interim direction permitting women candidates to take part in the National Defence Academy and Naval Academy Examination 2 2021, by its order dated 18/8/2021 in WPC number 1416/2020 filed by Kush Kalra, the Union Public Service Commission opened the online portal of application on its website for NDA 2 2021 examination to enable the unmarried women candidates only. The NDA 2 2021 exam application for unmarried women candidates only opened from 24th September 2021 to 8th October 2021. This was the application for the NDA 2 2021 examination, which took place on 14th of November 2021. A historical date to remember because it was for the very first time that the women candidates appeared for the NDA examination. Now, the number of female applicants who applied for NDA 2 2021 examination can be noted now. The total number of applicants for the NDA 2 2021 exam was 5,75,856, out of which 1,77,654 were the female candidates who applied for NDA 2 2021 exam. However, it's a good news now that has come up that necessary infrastructure and facilities for the training of female candidates in NDA are in place. Now, looking into the vacancies that have been just released by the Ministry of Defense for female candidates in NDA 148 course can be seen in continuation of the corrigendum dated 24/9/2021, which was issued by the Commission in compliance with the Honorable Supreme Court's order, which was filed by Shri Kush Kalra versus UOI and others, permitting women candidates to participate in the NDA and NA examination 2021. It was informed that the Ministry of Defense has furnished the following revised vacancy positions that I'm just going to update you with in this particular session, thereby the earmarking vacancies for women in NDA. So, the vacancies now that you can see here are the vacancies for female candidates for NDA 148 course. Out of the total 400 seats, 19 seats have been reserved for girls who are taking part in NDA 148 course, which is going to be the first female batch at National Defence Academy. Out of these 19 seats for the women candidates, 10 seats have been reserved for the Army, 3 for Navy and 6 for Air Force. As you can see on the screen as well, the number of vacancies that have been determined for women. For Army, where there are 208 total vacancies, 10 have been included for female candidates. For Navy, out of 42 vacancies, 3 have been included for female candidates. In Air Force Flying Branch, out of 92 vacancies, 2 are reserved for female candidates. For General Duty Tech, it is 18 vacancies, out of which 2 are included for female candidates. For General Duty Non-Tech, 10 vacancies are there, which are including 2 for female candidates. For Naval Academy, there are 30 vacancies and only vacancies are for male candidates in Naval Academy. So there are total 400 vacancies, out of which 19 seats have been given to the women candidates. So that you have now noticed from this particular update, all my future women candidates for the NDA examination, it is so important for you to appear for the NDA exam and crack it. So for that, you can obviously get yourself enrolled into our NDA exam online course, which have been provided, and you can enroll yourself into this course by downloading our SSB Crack Exams app from the Google Play Store. Inside this course, you will find all the subjects from where the questions are asked in NDA exam covered in full depth, and all the conceptual lectures and study materials along with quizzes, previous year's question, sample practice questions have been provided for you. Now, before I begin on to tell you something about the upcoming NDA 1 2022 exam, it is important to know about NDA examination. As you know, National Defense Academy or Naval Academy, that is NDA exam, is a national level or exam which is organized twice a year by UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission, to recruit candidates in Army, Navy and Air Force as permanently commissioned officers. This is an offline mode or a pen and paper exam. Let's look into the exam pattern for your NDA 1 2022 exam. So there will be two papers. One will be based on maths, and the total number of questions from mathematics paper will be 120, consisting of a total of 300 marks. For mathematics paper, for every correct answer you will score 2.5 marks, and for every incorrect answer there is also a negative marking of 0.83 marks. Now, the second paper consists of General Ability Test or GAT paper, which consists of again two sections, namely English and General Knowledge. From English, 50 questions come and a total of 200 marks are there in the English section, whereas in General Knowledge section, 100 questions are asked, which contains a total of 400 marks. In the GAT paper, for every correct answer, you score 4 marks, and for every incorrect answer, you lose 1.33 marks. So, a total of 270 questions are asked in NDA examination, and it will be asked in your NDA 1 2022 exam as well, out of which the total marks will be 900. Now, also there are certain important points to remember. Your NDA 1 2022 exam pattern will have each paper, and the duration for each paper, that is for both maths and General Ability Test paper, is 2.5 hours each. No marks are given for unattempted questions. All questions are MCQ based or objective type questions, and except English section, all other questions for the paper are set bilingually in both Hindi and English languages. Let's talk about the selection procedure for your NDA 1 2022 examination. So first of all, you have to appear for the written, that is the NDA examination, and after you have qualified in the written exam, you will be called for the SSB interview. Once you get recommended in the SSB, you will be then sent for the medical test. Once you qualify the medical test, you will be called for document verification, and then your name will appear in the merit list. So these are the basic selection procedure for getting selected for the NDA batch. Next, we will also look into the NDA 1 2022 vacancies. Now, this vacancies is subjected to change. So, if there is any change, we will also update you regarding that. So, for the National Defense Academy or NDA, for the Army, the number of seats reserved for male candidates is 198. For female, it is 10. For Navy, the number of vacancies for male candidates is 39, and for female, it is 3. For Air Force, the number of vacancies for male candidates is 114, and for female, it is 6. But in Naval Academy or NA, that is 10+2 cadet entry, the number of vacancies is 30, which is reserved only for male candidates. So, out of the total 400 vacancies, 381 vacancies are reserved for male candidates, while 19 vacancies are reserved for female candidates. Again, as I should repeat, these vacancies are subjected to change, and if there is any change, we will update you immediately. Now, we will also look into the most important thing to remember, and that is the exam dates for NDA 1 2022 exam. The notification which will be releasing for NDA 1 2022 exam will be on 22nd of December 2021. And it is on this date, that is 22nd December, the submission of application will start. And the last date for the submission of application for NDA 1 2022 exam is 11th January 2022. So, it is very important that you note down these start and the last dates of the application for NDA 1 2022 exam. It will be from 22nd December 2021 to 11th January 2022. Admit card will be provided to you 2 weeks before the exam, and the date of the examination is on 10th April 2022. So this is also another important date that you need to keep in your mind. The results for this particular exam will be released around May and June 2022. So now that you have got the date for your next NDA exam, which is on 10th April 2022, I would suggest you to start preparing for your NDA exam from today itself. And so you can do that very easily by downloading our app from the Google Play Store and then getting yourself enrolled into NDA exam online course, where you will get all the subjects that have been covered by our top-notch tutors in depth. Not only that, you will also get concept lectures, PDF study materials, quizzes, sample practice Q&A, previous year's Q&A, and lots of practice exercises. Not only NDA, also if you're preparing for any other defense examination, you can also check all the courses that we have provided inside the app. Then therefore, you can also crack your defense examination very easily. We have also recently launched our SSB interview online course, which is the best SSB interview online course available in the market. We have also started our monthly online batches. So if you want to take the opportunity of joining our top-notch tutors and learning hands-on for your SSB interview, you can obviously get yourself enrolled into SSB interview online course as well and start your SSB interview preparation from a very early stage. So we have also provided to you lots of test series for your practice. So after going through the course, learning different things and all the subjects in depth, you can also practice our mock test series which have been provided for the NDA examination inside our app. Not only NDA, we have also provided lots of mock test sets to practice for other defense exams as well. So to access all these, you need to download our app from the Google Play Store instantly and start preparing for your examination from today itself. While you are enrolling yourself to any course, do not forget to use the code WARRIOR10 to get an extra 10% off on all your courses. So guys, I hope that this was it for today and that you have been updated with the most important news and the number of vacancies. As I have already told you, if the vacancies are being changed, we will update you as soon as possible. So I wish you all the best and I will always recommend you to start preparing by keeping a lot of time in your hands so that you do not rush at the last moment. So then I will see you next with something more interesting and helpful as per your defense examination and SSB interview preparation as well. Till then, stay motivated, stay positive and stay tuned with SSB Crack Exams. Jai Hind.